Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be making orange peel soap and I'll be taking you guys along. So if you love orange peel, if you love the benefits of orange peel to your skin, you should definitely try this soap. If you are interested, continue to watch this video till the end. So the first thing I'll be using is orange, and I'll be peeling the orange because I'll be using just the orange peel. Right now I'm using my knife to peel the orange so that I can get enough of the orange peel. So while peeling the orange, you want to make sure you get enough of the orange peel. If you are making more soap, you should actually use more oranges, but I'll be using just one orange for the orange peel. Now after peeling, I'm cutting it into smaller pieces so that it will be easier for my blender to blend. Next, I'll be transferring these orange peels into my blender. After transferring it, I'll go ahead and blend the orange peel. You want to make sure you use a very little quantity of water. So this is my blended orange peel. I'm going to set it aside. Next, I'll be using a soap base, and I'll be cutting the soap base into smaller pieces. That way it will be easier for the soap base to melt. So you want to make sure you cut your soap base into smaller pieces. That way it will facilitate the melting process. Now that I have everything in smaller pieces, I'm going to transfer it into my cup. And I already have my water boiling. Now I just transferred it into my melting or my boiling water. After about 5 minutes, here is my melted soap base. Now I'm going to add 1 vitamin E capsule, but this is actually optional. If you don't have the vitamin E capsule, you can actually skip this part. Now here is my blended orange peel. I'm gonna add a quantity of it into my melted soap base. That's actually 2 spoonfuls of the blended orange peel. Yes, that is gonna be enough. Now I'm gonna use my spoon to mix everything together, and I'm taking my time just to make sure I don't overstir it. In as much as I want to mix everything together, I want to make sure I don't overstir for the soap paste to start forming. So you want to make sure this process is a gradual process. You do it very gently. Now to give it a beautiful color, I'm going to add a drop of food color. That is enough. And I'm gonna mix everything together. Look at that beautiful color, guys. Now I just gained back that orange color I was looking for. Because I want it smooth, I'm gonna strain the mixture just to make sure I take out the orange peel chaffs and get a smooth mixture. So I'm just straining it just to make sure the chaffs are excluded. Now here is my silicone mold. I'm going to transfer the mixture into my silicone mold. Oh, I know some people have asked me this question, that if you don't have the silicone mold, what can you use? You can actually use cupcakes. Or is it cake cups or cupcakes? Cake cups to get the soap molded up. So now I'm going to set it aside for at least 4 to 5 hours, but actually mine was overnight, so about 15 hours. Yes, this is my soap after resting for over 15 to 16 hours. Now I'm gonna take it out of the mold. Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Just the way the soap is looking, that is how your skin will look like if you try this. This soap is really nice. I won't lie, I have been using it and I love it. I use it really on my face, especially as I do makeup. When I do makeup, I like using this soap just so that it will clear away all the small dark spots on my face and give my face that smooth face I always like seeing. So now I'm going to try it so that you can see how this soap looks like. It's really beautiful. Look at how it is forming, guys. This is really beautiful. If you try this, you are surely gonna love it. Try this and you are going to love it. The way the soap is looking like, that is how your skin will actually look like if you try it. Yeah, guys, that will take us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.